Hey everyone, it's Justin again. Before we go through an explanation of the first problem in the one word makes a big change activity, make sure that you've tried to complete it all the way through on your own. If you haven't tried your best to complete it, pause this video now and come back when you're ready. Here's the first problem in your activity. It says to solve the compound inequality and show the solutions using inequality notation, a number line, and interval notation. If there are no solutions, simply state no solutions. Remembering from the previous lesson that the first thing we need to do is solve each inequality, we can go ahead and solve for x in each of these separate inequalities. One way to approach solving this first inequality is to divide both sides by 2. If you chose to instead distribute the 2 through the parentheses, you could see the work for that in the next help video. But even if you solved in a different way, you should still get the same answer in the end. Then, after subtracting 7 on both sides, we have that x is less than 5. For the other inequality, we can multiply both sides by 2 and then add 3, giving us that x is greater than 7. When we bring all of this down, we have that x is less than 5 or x is greater than 7. After this, it's very important to get a visual on a number line and just step back for a moment to make sure what we have seems logical. Remembering that OR means only one of the separate inequalities has to hold true in order to be a solution to the compound inequality, we can see that all the solutions fall into 2 sections. And no changes need to be made to this. So I can just copy this over as part of my solution. Since you didn't make any changes on the number line, this inequality that we had when initially solving is fine the way it is. Then we just have to come up with the interval notation. Since there are 2 different sections on this number line included in our solutions, we can combine those using the union symbol. And this is our complete answer. That's all for this problem. I'll see you in the next video.